Right. Right. Good afternoon, everyone. Guys, good afternoon. Kindly please try to respond to me in the chat. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Come on, go ahead. Go ahead. Feel free to select everyone. Feel free to select everyone so that everyone will be able to see your messages. Select everyone, guys. Select everyone. Come on, go ahead. Go ahead. Select everyone. Yes, right. Very fine. Thanks for asking. All right. So, yeah, a very good afternoon, guys. Very good afternoon. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts what we had covered in our yesterday's session. Yesterday onwards, we started discussing about a separate, very underrated concept known as Java record. Java record, right? We are trying to conduct a small workshop on this particular record concept. Just a sec. Let me try to keep it like this. Okay, Java record. So yesterday, yeah, of course, a lot of concepts we had covered. Like first we started discussing about what is actually a Java record, and then I gave you a small class, just a small. I have taken a small student class, and we wrote the code related to the student class, and similar concepts we are able to make that happen by using record. Means, just a second. Let me just try to show you here. Okay, now student class. Where is that? I think, yeah. Yes, of course. This is a student class, and here, this is my class here. Let me try to get the notes from here. Okay. Yes. This is the code which we have written in our yesterday's session. Okay. Hang on. Let me try to get that record also. Student record. Okay. Let me better. So yesterday, first we have taken a normal Java class, just a very normal Java class, right? Now in this Java class, I have taken private variables, right? Private final variables. After that, we have taken a parameterizer constructor so that we will be able to provide the values for our instance variables, and then we wrote getter methods so that we'll be able to access these private variables data in the next class. Why? Because these are private, so getter methods. And after that, we have overridden the toString method according to our requirements. Why? Because if you're not overriding the toString method internally, you will be getting that hexa integer value, which we don't want. So that is the reason we are trying to override the toString method. And then we have overridden our equals method, and the same thing for hash code also. So by making all these lines of code in the student class, we are able to get this data yesterday. So hang on, let me do one thing. Just let me try to keep these lines in comment. Okay. Okay. So here, after writing all these lines of code, nearly 50 lines of code, then whenever we are trying to print the student object, whenever we are trying to access the private variables, we are able to do like this. Let me first try to show you the output. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, we are able to see the output like this, like a student name, Kishan, some student marks, 55, student branch, MCA, all this. After that, we are able to print that entire object. Of course, we are able to get the data like this, right? By using toString method. So this entire thing is possible only after you have written this code. But the same process, the same things, what we are able to do this, we can achieve those by using student record. Means record. I am speaking about a record, not a class, not an interface, not an enum. This is a record. So basically, what is the use of records? By using records, we will be able to reduce the boilerplate code. Boilerplate code means repeated code. Repeated code. We'll be able to reduce all this repeated code. Readability will be enhanced. Immutability, of course, record is by default, it is immutable, and obviously it will increase the developer productivity. Yesterday, we already covered all this. Like we discussed about, if you are creating a record, by default, what will be getting created? Like a canonical constructors, getter methods, equals method, hash code method, toString method, all these will be automatically, they will be getting generated. And why these are introduced? We discussed about the syntax for a Java record, and after that, we have seen the differences between record and a class. After that, what is actually a canonical constructor? What is a compact constructor? Can we write default and custom constructors also inside records? All we already covered, right? So today, guys, I need your opinion in the chat, please. Please respond in the chat for me. Please respond in the chat for me. So these are all the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's session. Yesterday, a lot of concepts we have covered. Let me ask you, is my voice clear for everyone? Is my voice clear for everyone, guys? Okay, it's clear. It's clear. Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. So yesterday, a lot of people asked me like, sir, where we need to get the notes and the programs related to whatever the session which you had conducted. Okay. Just a second, guys. Give me a minute. Just a second. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a QR code. Just a minute. Just a minute. Is it downloaded? No. Give me a minute. Okay. Yeah, it's got downloaded. Now I'm going to show you a QR code. Okay. Feel free to scan this. Feel free to scan this QR code. Then you will be redirected to a WhatsApp community. In that WhatsApp community, the entire notes after completing our today's session, I'll try to upload it. Okay. Including the programs also, I'll try to upload it. No need to worry. Feel free to scan this, please. Feel free to scan this QR code for yesterday's notes, today's notes. I'll upload it after completing our today's session. I'll be uploading it. Okay. Come on, scan it, please. And I'm going to send a small link also directly in the chat box. Feel free to check the link. If you give a click on that link also, obviously you'll be joining in our WhatsApp community. Okay. As of now, nothing will be there. As of now, nothing will be there. Once after completing our today's session, we'll try to upload the notes. Okay, okay, okay. Now, let's go. So, guys, yesterday, a lot of concepts we had covered. Now, today, my intention is let us try to integrate our records. Let's try to use this record concept with the help of JDBC. JDBC. Shall we? Hang on. What do you mean by JDBC? JDBC. Just a second. JDBC. Java Database Connectivity. Right? Means I want to use record concept plus JDBC concept. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. For example, let me just try to open Oracle. Okay, con SOSDM system manager. Okay. Which table shall I use? Let me use employee. Okay. This is EMPLOYE employee table. This is the employee table, guys. Okay. Now, in this employee table, some data is already there. Let me just try to check the data. See, select the star from employee. Okay. This is the data. You know what? Let me just try to give me a minute. Okay. This is much better. Okay. Just let me try to. Okay. So this is the entire data present in my employee table. Right now, my intention is I want to take a record. I will take a record, employee record. In that record, I'm going to take all employee ID, employee first name, employee last name, employee salary, employee address, like a parameters. So I want to get the data from the database and I want to view the data. I want to pass the data into my employee records and I want to view. Okay, a lot of things are there here. Let's try to do this first. Let me try to, okay, this is our yesterday's program. I'm removing this. Let me just try to remove, okay, all this is not required. Okay, guys, before going to any further, let me ask you a small question. If anyone new today, if this is your first time you are coming to this record workshop, anyone is there like that? Feel free to message me in the chat. Message me in the chat. Please message me in the chat, guys. If this is your first class, if this is your first class, please message me in the chat. Okay, so fine. 5 to 6 people are there. Below 10 people are there. Okay, okay. Guys, this is for the people who came today only. Okay. Yesterday, we started with a boot camp, just like a small workshop related to a special concept known as Java record. Without having a proper knowledge about yesterday's class, today you will be having little bit trouble. But do one thing. What I advise you is, hang on, just let me try to, please go to YouTube and just let me try to go like Naresh IT. Let's see. Okay, this is our Naresh IT channel. In that Naresh IT YouTube channel, yesterday, this is our yesterday's recording. Okay, this is actually today's, I guess. Hang on. Fourth and fifth. Wait, not that. Just little bit scroll here, here. Can you see this? Streamed 22 hours ago. Yes, this is yesterday's recording. Feel free to watch that so that you'll be getting more clarity what is actually happening. I hope it's okay for everyone. If possible, kindly please try to message me in the chat, guys. I'm speaking about the people who, for the first time, who is coming to this. Is that okay? Make sure to watch this recording. Otherwise, today you will be having a little bit trouble. Please make sure to watch this recording. Okay? All right. All right. Now, let's go. Just let me try to close this. Okay. Now, my intention is in my database, I'm having a table named as employee. So I want to get all these values stored into my record, employee record. Okay. First things first, let us try to create a record, employee record. Okay. So here, right click on the package, go to new, select record. And here EMPLOYE employee RECORD employee record. I'm going to create a record. Okay. Oh, sorry, spelling mistake. Let me just try to refactor PLOY. Yeah, this is better actually. Finish. Okay, done. Employee record. Now, if you observe this, yesterday I already covered about the syntax for a record. Yes? Please respond to me in the chat for me. Come on, guys, please respond. Can you see this? Parenthesis? Could you please tell me what I need to give inside this parenthesis? Go ahead. Feel free to message me in the chat. Please, come on, go ahead. What I need to give inside these parentheses. Yeah, fields, obviously. I need to give the fields. Okay. Now tell me, how many fields are present in my database? Here. I mean to say, how many columns are there? Columns. Four or five? Four or five? One EID, employee ID, employee first name, employee last name, employee salary, employee address. Come on, guys. How many are there? Totally, we are having five. Five fields are there. Okay. So here, could you please help me with this? Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me try to keep it like this. Better. Hang on. That's it. This is the record, right? Now tell me, guys. Come on, go ahead. Try to tell me the first parameter. I mean, first variable, first field. Shall I go with string emp id? Can I write like this? I hope you are understanding me. String emp id. After that, string emp f name. Okay. After that, string emp l name. After that, after that, double. Let's go with double. Salary, right? Salary. Double. Just let me try to go like emp sal. After that, address string emp addr. Just like this. What do you say? Is that correct? All came first employee ID, string string F name. I mean, EMP name, EMP first name, EMP first name, EMP last name, EMP last name, double EMP salary. Yeah, it's EMP salary and string EMP address. You need to respond in the chat, guys. Is this okay? Come on, please message me in the chat. Please message me in the chat. Is this okay? Okay. Now tell me, all these are, can I say, private final variables? Yes or no? All these are private final variables. Absolutely amazing. And you know that a canonical constructor is already been created by default. Yes or no? A constructor is already there. Okay. Fine. And we know that getter methods are also there. Guys, first one, first one. Let's go with first one. What is the first one? What will be automatically created? Private final variables. Yes or no? Please tell me. First one, private final. What is the second one? Second, what will be getting created? Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Canonical constructor. What is the third concept which will be automatically getting created? Getter methods. Of course, that is correct. Getter methods. After that, toString method, equals method, hash code method, all these will be automatically overridden. I covered this yesterday only. We covered this. Come on, respond. Yes, did you remember that? Please respond, guys. Please respond. Did you remember that? Okay. Very good. Now I have taken just a employee record. Okay. Now I'm coming to class A. Okay. Now inside this class A, I'm going to take some instance variables. Okay. String string dir driver. You know what? Let me just try to go with string db url equal to, let me go like jdbc colon ORACLE Oracle colon thin colon at the rate localhost colon 1521 colon XE. Just let me try to write like this. Yeah, thin. It's a small typo. Kindly please don't mind. Thin. Okay. After that, string DB uname NAME. Okay. User. My database username is SYSTEM system and string DB just DBUPWD. Database password is MANAGR manager. Just like, oh, sorry, just like this manager. Now, sir, what is this DB URL? This is our database URL. Sir, what is this JDBC colon Oracle colon thin at the rate localhost 1521 XE? What is all this? Buddy, these are the concepts which you should be learning in your advanced Java, okay. Without writing this URL, we will not be able to connect our Java program to the database. So in order to make this happen, we need to write this database URL, database username, database password. Now I'm going to write the code, just a small code. Void, let me, okay, void get data. I'm using a method like get data, and here just let me try to use throws exception. Okay, sir, what is the use of this throws exception and why you are writing this throws exception? Guys, you will be covering this concept in your exception handling. There is a separate concept in our core Java known as exception handling. In that, this would be covered. Okay, now I want to connect my Java program to the database. I repeat, I want to connect my Java program to the database. For example, you know what? For example, here I have written this query, select star from employee. If I'm writing exactly the same query here, obviously we'll be getting an error. Obviously, we'll be getting an error. Sir, why we are getting an error? Why? Because this is SQL query. Where you are writing this SQL query inside IDE, Eclipse, Java, Java does not understand this. So it will think that it's a compile time error. So what we need to do, we need to connect our Java program to the database so that we'll be able to give the queries in the Java program and we'll be able to get the data from the database and we can use that data in our Java program. This concept is nothing but JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. In your advanced Java, we will cover this. Okay. Now here, first, let me try to get the connection. So DRI driver manager. Okay. Driver manager dot get connection URL, username, password. I'm giving this. And after that, equal to con belongs to connection interface. Okay, guys, one more time I am saying this. People who did not completed this advanced Java concept, you may find this code little bit trouble. Okay, but no need to worry. Trust me, no need to worry. Whenever you are completing your advanced Java, easily you will be able to understand this. Okay, today my intention is I want to use a record by integrating with JDBC, right? And if time permits, we'll be trying to create a small JDBC project also, mini JDBC project. We'll see that. Okay, now I created this connection. After that, let me try to call con dot create statement. Okay, I'm using create statement method. Return type for this create statement method is statement interface. Statement interface. Now I'm going to call a method stmt dot execute query method. And yeah, of course, I'm going to give the query. What is my query here? SCLECT select star from employee employee. This is the query. Return type for this execute query method is, anyone please message me in the chat. What is the return type for this execute query? Please try to message me in the chat, guys. Yeah, Mahesh, that's come on, come on. My question is very simple. What is the return type? Come on, guys, be active. Please be active. What is the return type for this execute query method? Absolutely result set. Just let me try to use RS, and here I'm going with the result set, RESULT, result set interface. Okay. Now let me just try to use while loop, and here rs dot next method. Now what I'll be trying to do here, let me try to create a object. I repeat, let me try to create a object for this employee record object. Now guys, could you please tell me right now, in this particular record, of course, I did not write any constructor, but is there any constructor available? Is there any constructor available in this record? Yes or no? Yes, I'm impressed. Which constructor? Canonical constructor. Now tell me, how many parameters are there for that canonical constructor? Obviously, 5. How many values, I mean, how many fields we are having here? Same are there. So let me try to create an object. New EMP employee record. Okay, new employee. Just a second. Let me try to save this. Okay, new employee record. EMPLOYE. Hang on. Why I am not able to get this? I did not save it. Just a second. Let me try to check this. Employee record. Yeah, of course, it is employee record. And yeah, sure. Let's see. Let's see. Let me try to create new EMPLOY employee record. Okay. New employee record. Now here, rs dot get string. Yeah, yeah. Get string 1. Okay, just a second. Get string 1, comma, get string 2. What is 1 here? 1 means employee ID, first name, last name. Okay, okay, fine. Get string 1, first name. After that, here, last name. After that, what I need to get? I need to get the salary. Let me go like rs dot get double. Okay, for comma rs dot get string. Just let me try to go like 5. Okay, I have created the object. Now for this, I'm just trying to go like employee record, EMPLOYE, employee record, as simple as this. That's it. Done. So basically what I'm doing in this, whenever we are trying to, I repeat, whenever we are trying to create an object for a class, you know that we need to initialize that object with the help of the available constructors present in that particular program. So right now we are trying to create an object for this object, I mean object for this record. So new, and we are initializing that object with the help of the parameterized constructor, technically canonical constructor, which is present here. So obviously we need to pass 5 parameters. So whatever the data which is present in my result set, from that I'm trying to get my first record, that is employee ID. After that, employee first name. After that, employee last name. After that, employee salary. After that, employee address. Now, let me try to just print. I'm just printing. That's it. I'm not doing anything. I'm just trying to print it. Enough. And yeah, of course, it's always a good programming practice to close the connection. All right. Now, let me just try to at my main method. Now, inside my main method, new class A dot get data. Get data. I'm just trying to call my method. That's it. Not more than that. And yeah, throws 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 exception. Okay. Now let me execute. Right click, run as Java application. Let's see, am I able to get my data? Window, show, view, console. Okay. We are actually getting an exception. Oh, invalid username and password. Yes. Why is system? Is my username and password right? Of course it is right. Just a second. Just a second. Sir, you know what? Wait, hang on just a minute. Let me try to check whether my jar file is available. Of course, jar file is there. Okay. And so you did not loaded the driver. You know what? Actually, sometimes it's not required. But anyways, let's try to check this. Class dot for name, and I'm trying to load my driver ORACLE Oracle dot JDBC dot ORACLE Oracle driver. Let's try to check this right now. Now, one more time. One more time. Okay. Come on, guys. Here, first I have given URL, database URL. After that, here, what I need to give? I need to give database username. But what I have given? I have given database password. So that is the mistake. Anyways, no worries. Let's try to check it one more time. One more time. See? Okay, this is better. Now please check this. Am I able to get all my records which were present in my database? I want you to kindly please check with this guys. Got it? Come on, come on, come on. Please respond in the chat for me. Yes? Okay. Now I have a simple question for you guys. A simple question. Right now, in line number 23, I am trying to print the entire object. Please tell me yes or no. I'm trying to print an entire object. How I am able to get this data? Did I override the toString method here? No, I did not override any toString method. But how I am able to get this data? Please respond. It is, that is correct. Whenever we are dealing with record, whenever we are creating a record, automatically toString method will be overridden by default. Automatically, toString method will be overridden by default. That is the reason here we are able to print this. Sir, you know what? This is okay, 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 fine, fine, fine. Very good. I don't want to see employee record like this. I just want to get only the data. Okay. Then we'll do one thing. For example, here, let me go like public to, okay, public string to string method return return simply empid plus a small space plus emp first name plus EMP last name plus EMP salary plus EMP, just a second, plus EMP address. Okay. Now I have written according to my requirements. Now let's see. Kindly please remember this. This is our previous output. Let me try to, okay. This is our previous output, but I'm not satisfied with this. I want to write my own data. Okay, sure. Then now I have overridden this. Now let's see. Right click, run as Java application. I hope you are observing what is happening here, guys. I need your opinion here. Please respond. Can you see this? Can you see this? See, both are same. Both are same. Here also I'm getting 101 Kishan, Basina, employee salary, address. Here also I'm getting the same data. Here actually the data which is present in the database, I'm able to retrieve, but here a little bit more organized manner. This is by default overridden in the record. Here, if I'm not satisfied with that, even we can also override. I believe it's clear, guys, for everyone, right? It's completely our wish. It's completely our wish. The way how we want our code to behave, that is present in our hands only. Okay. So this is how you need to get the data from the database, and we can use a Java record to access that data, and we can use that data according to our requirements. I'll do one thing. Let me just try to keep this here. This is day 2. I just want to update so that you people will be able to get the notes. Generally, in my regular sessions, I'll never upload the notes. I'll always ask my students to write the notes. But as this is a boot camp, that much time will not be available. So I'm uploading this. Okay, just let me try to upload the program here. Okay, this is for the record, employee record. And now I'm going to go with class A also. This is one example. Okay, let me, okay, this is one example. Now we'll do one thing. Guys, online students, up to now, is it clear for everyone? I need your opinion here. If possible, kindly please try to message me in the chat. Up to now, up to now. And yeah, in order to understand this code, obviously there is a prerequisite is there, that is advanced Java. You are supposed to have an idea about advanced Java, then and then only you will be getting little bit more clarity about this program. Okay. All right. Now we'll do one thing. This is one example. Now let me just try to create a small project. Let's try to create a small project. So in order to create a project, first I need my database. What shall we do? Okay, let's try to create a table named as book. Okay, so here you have to create a table, table, create table book, and here I will give ID. Okay, just let me try to go like, hang on, oops, just a minute. Let me, just a second. Okay, now create better, create table book. The table name is book, and let me just try to go like ID. I mean book ID number, and I want to make it as a primary key, of course. primary key, and after that name, let me go like varchar. Okay, varchar 2, and okay, let's go with some 50 name, and after that other here also varchar 2, varchar 2, and here I'm just going to give, well, yeah, let me go like 50, no problem, no need to worry about it. And after that price, obviously price, I'm going to give number. Enough, three columns, ID, yeah, four columns, ID, name, other, price, more than enough. Four columns, and let me just try to create it. Is my query correct? I hope this is correct. Yeah, correct. Let's see. Let's try to execute. Yeah, table created. COMMIT commit. Okay, commit done. So let me select a star from book. Obviously, nothing will be there. Okay. Now my intention is I want to create a record. Okay. Guys, you need to respond, guys. Are you listening? Please respond. Please respond. Come on, come on. Go ahead, go ahead. Are you listening? Very good. Now my intention is I want to create a record, and I will use this record to pass the data into the database, into this table. I repeat, I repeat, I want to create a record, and I will use that record to pass the data into this table. And of course, I want to view the data also. View the data also. Okay, this is exciting. Okay, let me just try to remove this class here. Okay, now let me try to create a record. Shall we go with the record name as book? Let me just try to create a record. B-O-O-K, book. Oh, sorry, caps lock on. B-O-O-K, book. Okay, book record. Now, where is my record? Yeah, here is my record, book record. Okay, now, guys, please help me out. How many fields I need to provide? Hang on, I'll keep it like this. Better. And this is much better. Okay, please tell me how many fields I need to create? Four. Impress. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Int. Shall we go with ID? Just let me make it simple. Int ID. After that, string name. Yeah, string name. After that, string AUTH or other. After that, DOUBLE double PRIC double price. That's it. Done. Done. Enough. I'm not going to create anything else. Done. Okay. I have created a record. Now I need to create a DAO class. What is that? Please tell me, guys. What is that? What is the class name? DAO. Data access object. Data access object. Okay, okay, okay. Let me try to create a DAO class. New class. By the way, it's a class. It's a class. Book DAO. I'm going to create a book DAO. Fine, fine. So in this DAO class, I'm going to create a connection. Okay, let me use a simple JDBC logic here. CONNECT and connection con. Sir, what is this connection? It is an interface. Sir, what is the use of this connection? Oh my God, that is completely a separate concept in JDBC. So it is what it is. People who completed JDBC, they knows how important this connection interface is. Okay. Now, anyways, I'm going to write a small constructor public book DAO. Just let me try to write a small constructor book DAO, and I want to create a connection object. So I'll do one thing. Let me just try to write here THRWS throws exception. As I am writing throws exception, no need to write Can you please complete my sentence? As I am writing throws exception, no need to write. Manish, I'm impressed. Very good. That is actually very good. Manish, Harshita, Kaif, Srisha, Pooja, Jahnavi. Yeah, a lot of people are there. Yes, that is correct. Litin, Pavan, no need to write try catch. So simply TRI driver manager dot get connection. Let me try to get connection. You know what? Directly I want to write the URL JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate LOCL local host colon 1521 colon XE. Is everything correct? Please check my spelling, guys. JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate localhost 1521 XE. And here, let me just try to write SYSTM system. And here I'm going to write manager. Okay, manage. Now, obviously, the return type for this is connection. So if you observe, I have created this connection inside a constructor. Constructor. So whenever we are creating an object here, automatically this will be getting executed. A connection will be getting created. Okay. Now I'm going to write two methods. First method to insert the data, second method to display the data. Two methods. Public void insert insert, and here let me try to pass book record as a parameter. Okay. Now th always throws exception. Okay. Guys, please answer a small question for me. If a method is having a class as its parameter, I repeat, I repeat, if a method is having a class as its parameter, what we need to return, what we need to pass? If a method is having a class as its parameter, what we need to pass? For example, if a method is having int as a parameter, we need to pass a number. If a method is having boolean as a parameter, we need to pass either true or false. Like that, if a method is having a class as a parameter, what we need to pass? Obviously, it's object. It's object, right? Exactly like that. I'm having in this method, for this method, how many parameters? Please tell me. Is it a parameterized method or non-parameterized method? Parameterized method. How many parameters are there? How many parameters are there? Come on, please tell me. Only one, only one. And what is that parameter? What is that parameter? Please don't say book. Please don't say book. That parameter is a, come on, what is that parameter? That parameter is a record. Record. Okay, so basically we can pass a record also as a method parameter. Absolutely. Happily we can pass. And if a method is having a record as a parameter, what we need to do? Pass its object. Oh, so basically we need to create an object. Yes. Anyways, we'll get back to that later. Now inside this, I'm going to call my connection and I'm going to write prepare statement. I want to insert the data, guys. Insert into, insert into book values. One more time, I am saying, guys, in order to understand the code which I am writing, obviously you are supposed to have an idea about JDBC. Kindly please check with that. Okay. Prepared statement. Prepared statement. Okay, guys. People who are actually listening, please tell me, without having a knowledge about JDBC, are you able to understand these codes, whatever the codes which I'm writing? I know a lot of people are actually already completed, or else some people are listening to JDBC also. What is your opinion? Tell me why I have written these question marks. I mean, what is this connection interface, and what is this get connection, and what is this driver manager? Why three parameters? Everything, each and everything, we will be covering in our advanced Java. Please do remember that. Okay. All right, now I'm trying to insert the data. Sure, pstmt dot set yeah, yeah. Why? Because ID is there now. Okay, okay. Set int one and b dot ID. Wait, wait. Guys, please tell me what is this? Just tell me what is that highlighted part. For example, okay, I'm going to write one more. Let me just try to write here two, one more, three, three, one more, just one more. Okay, four. Okay, now here ID, after that name, after that, I know. I'll change it. Wait for it. Other, and after that price. Okay, name. This is obviously string, set string, and other set string, and here this is set double. This is set double. Okay, guys. Now my question is, what is this ID? What is this name? What is this other? What is this price? What are these? No, don't say values, Manish. No, 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 no. These are not values, buddy. Absolutely not. These are not values. These are getter methods, not setter, Dilip, not setter. These are getter methods. Now, my question is, where these getter methods are present? Where? In book record. In book record. Okay, let me open the book record. Wait, where are those methods? Am I able to see them? Am I able to see them? No, I mean, why? Where are those methods? I already told you. I already told you. These are by default automatically they will be getting generated. So that is the reason. Yeah, that is absolutely correct. Absolutely correct, Pawan. Absolutely correct. By default, automatically this will be generated. So here I'm using those methods. Now I need to insert the data. So pstmt dot execute update, execute update. Now I'm not using any complex coding. Simply I'm just going to write book added book added. And you know what? I want to get the name also. I'm just trying to give the name. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Now, second method. Let me try to view the data. View. Yeah, sure. Public void display method. Display. Here also, I'm going to write throws exception. Okay. Throws exception. Now here, con dot create statement. I repeat, con dot create statement dot, let me just try to write execute execute query. I just want to view the entire data. CLECT select star from book. Select star from book. And what is the return type for this? Obviously, it is a result set. Okay. RESULT result set. Now, same code while rs dot next method, rs dot next. Now here, system dot out dot println. Let me try to write new book. Okay, new, hang on. Let me remove this. Okay, new book, and here rs dot get int one plus rs dot get string. This is two, obviously, plus rs dot get string three. One more, three, just one more, plus rs dot get double. Get double, and here I'm going with four. Yeah, let me just try to something where is just a small, where is the problem? Here, book ID is a string. I have given string. Just a second, be okay. No, I think it's a number only. Number only. It's a number only. Of course, it's a number. That is the reason I have taken ID. Okay, just let me try to check. Let me hang on. System dot will do one thing. One more. Okay, new book. This is the data. One more time. Just one more time. Okay, in the record, what is the parameter I have given? Record also int string double. Yeah, fine. Let's try to go for one more time. New book rs dot get int one plus, you know what? I don't want to give any plus. Just let me try to pass the parameter. I don't want to print it. First, I need to pass the parameter na. Rs dot get string 2 and comma rs dot get string 3 and comma one more rs dot get double 4. Previously, what I thought, I'm thinking like printing, but the thing is, we are actually creating an object here, right? We are actually creating an object here. So whenever we are creating an object for this, we need to pass the parameter, na? So I am passing the parameters. That's it, not more than that. Yeah, fine. This is cool. This is cool. Now, in this DAO class, I have created two methods. One is for inserting, another method is for displaying the data. Now let's get back to this class A. Okay, I'm going to keep it like this. In class A. In class A, just let me try to write my main method. Okay. Now inside my main method, let me create an object for book DAO. Okay, book. Just a second. Okay, equal to DAO belongs to book. BOKDAO and throws exception. Just let me try to write throws exception. Why? Because if you observe, I'm not handling the exception. Na? I'm not handling the exception here. I'm escaping, right? So, all right. Now, let's try to create an object for our record. I'm actually trying to create an object for my record. Okay. I'm trying to pass ID. Let us go like book ID as 101 and book name. Just let me make this like Java made easy. Okay. Just like a book name and other, I'm going to give my name directly, Kishan B, and price something like 499, I guess, point 0. Okay. Now here equal to, let me just try to write book one belongs to BO. Okay, book. Okay. Now let me check here. Int this record. Hang on. Okay, everything is fine, I guess. We are passing the data. Where is the problem here? Just a sec. You know what? Let me just try to keep this in comment. Come on. Guys, did you find out where is the problem? Can you see the problem? I find it out. Can you see this? Can you? No, 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 no. Can you look at line number three? Can you please look at line number three? Actually, it is trying to import another class. Yeah, absolutely. Wrong import, wrong import. Let me just try to remove that. It's wrong. It happens. It happens. No need to worry. Okay. So now this is one book. Now I want to write one more. Let us just try to go with book two. And I want to give the book name as, okay, JDBC simplified. Simplified. And I'm going to give NARESH Naresh IT, just like this. And the book cost is something like 399, I guess. Okay, done. Now I'm going to call insert method. Sure. Let's try to go. DAO dot insert. It's a parameterizer method, and I'm trying to pass book one. After that, DAO dot insert book two. Just let me try to go with book two. Yeah, primary key, primary key. Up to now, is it clear, guys? Up to now, is it clear? I need your opinion in the chat, please. Please respond to me in the chat. Please respond to me in the chat. Up to now, is it clear? Okay. Now, by using this insert method, I'm able to insert the data into my database. Now I need to call, I want to see the data. Yeah, sure. Let us just try to call display method, DAO dot display method, just like this. Now let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. Let me save it. But launch error. Give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Sometimes it happens. No need to worry. No need to worry. Sometimes it happens. Let me restart the Eclipse. I'll be using different workspaces, right? So sometimes it may happens. No need to worry. Let's find it out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. So one more time. Can you see this output? Please message me in the chat, guys. Can you see this? Book added. Which book? Java made easy, JDB is simplified. And this is the data which is available in our database. Let me just try to check here also. SELECT. Select star from book. Am I able to get my data? Am I able to get my data? Of course, I'm able to get the data. This is how we need to integrate a record with a JDBC project. Just a simple JDBC project. I did not go with complicated coding, just a simple code. But again, here the thing is, without having a proper knowledge about yesterday's concept, today it will be a trouble. Without having a proper knowledge about JDBC, obviously little bit problem will be getting little bit trouble. But this is our scenario. What do you say, guys? Okay, I first things first, let me try to give this entire data in the classroom so that it will be easy for you. Yeah, of course, I'll provide. It's a simple JDBC project, mini project. Sure. Let me try to go with this book DAO also. Give me a minute. Let me try to give the code first. And this is classic. Okay, let me save it. So, guys, 2 days. In 2 days, this is all the concept what we had covered. So, what is your opinion about this workshop? Please do let me know. Do you think like it actually made an impact on your coding? I need your opinion. Please respond to me in the chat for me. Please respond. Please respond. Is that? And yeah, I forgot to say, congratulations. You are now ready to use Java records like a pro. Yeah, you are seniors, you are developers, you are pro developers, right? And guys, yeah, seriously, thank you all for your active participation over these 2 days. You know, today you are walking away with cleaner code practice, like modern Java knowledge, real time. Simple. It's not like a complicated project, but simple real time JDBC project, right? So, records this particular feature. Don't think like this is like a normal concept, this is way how we will write smarter code, not like complications, smarter code. And you people will be future ready. All right. So I hope you enjoyed our boot camp. Did you? And guys, you know what? I promise we'll be trying to conduct more similar such boot camps, and all those data will be available. They will be shared in our Naresh IT social media presence. Feel free to follow. Feel free to follow. And yeah, whenever a next workshop is there, automatically it will be there. I mean, we will be trying to post it. And you know what? In our YouTube, just a second. Yeah, Sunil. That's what I am trying to say. In YouTube, if you are going to our website, I mean, if you are going to our channel, okay, just a second. YouTube. Mm, okay, Naresh IT, YouTube Naresh IT channel. It is still going on. This is a live stream, by the way. Still, it is going on. You know what? Yesterday we already completed this record, this session. Today session also. Kindly please check with that, and in the comments mention which concept you are actually waiting for. Next workshop, which concept you want, and we'll try to plan with that. What do you say? Is that okay? You mention in comments. I'll check with the comments, and most of the people which one you are recommending, we'll try to go with that workshop. And remember, not like an entire session. Workshop. All right. Yeah, I'll definitely. So mention that in the comments. Mention that in the comments. We'll try to check with that. I hope you enjoyed it. Right. All right, guys. And this is okay. Just a second. Let me try to show you this scanner. Okay. This is a scanner for WhatsApp community. Make sure to scan this and log in so that this entire record, this entire data, I'll upload that in that WhatsApp community. Okay. Notes complete. Everything I'll try to upload in there. Fine. Not here, not in the chat box. I mean, which concepts you want, not in this chat box, in the YouTube comments, please try to mention, like, not exactly like a concept. What you did not understand, I mean, what you want to learn in that concept. See, guys, let me make this simple. Hang on. Let me make this simple. If you are directly giving me something like JDBC or else like streams, it's a huge concept. Give me a topic which you are little bit tough. For example, let's take JDBC. There are a lot of concepts are there in JDBC. For example, give sir result set or else in stream. A lot of people are giving me stream. In stream, a lot of concepts are there. Which one you are having a trouble? Like filter method, map method, or else like predicate interface. Like that. Give me the concept. Okay, don't give the generalized scenarios. If you give a small concept, which you are not having a little bit more clear idea, then I'll try to help you with that. Okay. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this bootcamp, guys. So if you enjoyed your sessions, can I get a small happy icon, like, reaction in the chat box? A small happy icon in the chat box so that I'll be able to see that. Come on. Please check with that. Right. I'm actually impressed and I'm actually overwhelmed. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So yeah, everything, today's notes, yesterday's notes, everything I'll update here. Okay. And yeah, that's it. This is Kishan, your Java trainer from Naresh IT, signing off. Until your next milestone, I mean, until our next workshop, happy coding. See you guys. See you. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a fantastic day. Of course, Java is awesome. No, tomorrow we'll not be having any sessions, guys. Done. Only today workshop.